Step 1. Use a hole opener to punch holes in the appropriate positions on the door, as shown in the picture. Step 2. Put the door operator wire that has been stepped in advance into the door body. It is recommended to use a 1.5 square 2-core wire. Step 3. Use a tape measure to measure the lowest point on the ground in the running track of the door motor and mark it. Step 4. Determine the installation position of the fixing plate and install the fixing plate. Take the motor to the lowest point on the ground just marked, lean against the door horizontally, and use a marker to mark the position of the fixed board. Remove the fixing plate. Drop 2 cm from the place where the fixed plate position is marked on the door just now as the actual fixed plate installation position. Step 5. Fix the door opener. Thread the cord through the door. Tighten the screws. Connect the door operator wire. Install the case. Step 6. Install the limit magnet. Turn the key in the manual direction to the end, and adjust to manual mode. Open the door operator to the maximum position you want to open the door. Find the limiter at the bottom of the door operator, and mark it on the ground. Use a 22 mm drill to punch out the position of the limit magnet and then install the limit magnet. Step 7. Install the door closing limit stopper. Close the door. Insert the stopper from behind the door. Let's look at how to determine the location of the stopper from different angles. After confirming the position of the stopper, push the door open. Use a marker to determine the location of the hole for the stopper. Drill holes with a 12 mm electric drill. Use the expansion screw to fix the stopper, then tighten the expansion screw so that the stopper is installed. Step 8. Install the controller. Mount the controller backplane to the wall, then plug the controller into the backplane. Connect the door operator connector from the material package to the door operator cable. Insert motor 1 and motor 2 interface in the controller. Step 9. Debug door opener. Connect with the 220 volts power supply and turn the key to the electric direction to adjust the electric mode. Press and hold the stroke study button for 3 seconds and release it. And the door operator will enter the automatic learning stroke state. After the running and learning is completed, the controller will make 2 beeps, and the learning is completed. Then test the door operator with remote. Then cover the controller shell. The installation is complete.